Hi everybody, hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to analyze CAT 2020 Slot 1 VARC portion. So let's get started. Before we begin, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Juhi Narula. I have done my bachelor's in technology and master's in business administration. I have 12 years of experience in training students for CAT, GMAT and GRE. I also happen to be a life skills coach and a content creator. This is the Telegram channel, so you can please join the Telegram channel so that you get the notifications for all the upcoming sessions and classes which I take, both on the app and also on YouTube channels. Apart from the wonderful sessions that we offer you on YouTube and on Unacademy's app, we do have two subscription plans for you, which we call Plus and Iconic. So in Plus, there are live classes, there are weekly tests, study material is provided, there are regular doubt sessions, there is unlimited access, and the courses are structured. So whenever we put an effort, we need to ensure that our effort is in the right direction. So that definitely means that our preparation should be structured, and that's what we offer you in our Plus subscription. The other subscription that we have is called Iconic. In Iconic, you get all the benefits of Plus. Apart from this, there would be a personal coach who's going to handhold you in the entire journey of preparation. Then there's a study planner which is provided. So this is a customized study plan with bi-weekly reviews. So it is absolutely personalized and it is created in such a way to help you achieve your dream. Another feature is of one-on-one live mentoring, which is absolutely a personalized learning experience. Then we offer you test analysis. So any test, if it is not followed by rigorous analysis, doesn't give you the benefit ideally it should. So test analysis remains to be a very crucial element of our preparation, which is a part of our Iconic subscription. So after doing the analysis, you will be able to identify that what remains to be your strengths, what are your weak areas, where do you need to put more effort. So all this can only be derived once you are thorough with your analysis part. The last feature of our Iconic subscription is expert guidance. So there are study booster workshops by experts who help you crack CAT and other management entrance tests. So you can go for 6 month subscription if you're planning to appear for other management entrance tests, and the fee structure is 16,400. In case you're targeting CAT 2022, you can go for 18 months plan, and if you are 2023 aspirant, you can go for 24 month subscription. You can see the fees of Iconic subscription on the screen. The fees is slightly higher on the higher end if you will compare it with your Plus subscription, but you have a lot of benefits in this particular subscription plan. You can use the code JNLife10 to get a 10% off on any of the subscriptions. The same can be used to unlock the special classes. Special classes are free sessions on the app. You simply need to go to the Play Store, download an Academy's app, and use the code JNLife10 to access the sessions. And there are a lot of other interesting features on the app, so you should definitely explore. And the same code can be used to participate in combats that happen every Sunday. So let's get started with our analysis. Now, the VARC section for CAT 2020 slot 1 was a lengthy section. There were 26 questions that were to be solved in 40 minutes. Out of the 26 questions that we got, there were 18 questions that came from reading comprehension. So we can definitely say that if you want to get a great percentile in verbal section, you need to have a strong hold on reading comprehension. Now, the other questions came from the verbal ability part. We'll explore in detail as to how many questions came from which area. So 20 questions out of 26 were MCQs, and the other 6 questions were non-MCQs. That means they were type in the answer questions. So the marking scheme went like this, that you had +3 for correct answer and -1 for incorrect ones. Though theta questions, type in the questions or non-MCQs questions, did not have any negative marking associated with it. There were total four passages and the difficulty level was good. However, you can say that the verbal ability questions were of average difficulty level. Now, if we specifically talk about reading comprehension portion, then there were four passages. Two passages gave you five questions each, and two passages had four questions each. Now, it was very important that you intelligently pick three passages that you can solve with great accuracy. Three passages done with good accuracy would help you get a great percentile in the verbal ability portion. So the passages were interesting to read, easy to read, but when it came to questions and answer choices, students found them a little tricky and difficult. So my suggestion would be that please ensure that while you are solving a reading comprehension, you pay adequate attention in deconstructing the passage. Deconstruction of the passage happens effectively when you do a lot of scratch paper work. See, if you'll try to retain the entire information without jotting down or scribbling down anything, it would become a humongous task, and that would not help you get in control of the entire passage. So, deconstruction of the passage is important. You should have three clear goals while you are reading the passage. One, you should not lose focus to answer the general questions like the ones based on primary purpose, main idea, tone, structure. For these questions, if you go back to the passage, that means you have to reread the entire thing, which is not practically possible. So, general questions you should be able to answer without revisiting. For specific questions, you should know where to go back. See, you are not any superman or superwoman that you will be able to retain the entire information. Please don't have unrealistic expectations from yourself. It is wise to go back for specific questions, right? But you should know where to go back. So keep these three goals intact while you are dealing with the passage. Question is very important to be rightly understood. We have seen so many students who have got a great control over the passage, but they get stuck between two answer choices just because of the reason that they do not try to answer the question. They just try to match the information from the passage. Please don't do this mistake. Your investment of another 20 to 30 seconds in understanding the question rightly will give you a lot of benefit. Trust me on this. Third advice is be aggressive in eliminating the incorrect answer choices. Aggressive eliminations will definitely help you boost your accuracy. So, these are three important suggestions to keep in mind while you are dealing with comprehensions in CAT. Now, like I said, the difficulty level was moderate to difficult. Now we talk about a term called personal order of difficulty. So for every student, which passage he or she finds difficult and which passage he or she finds easy would be varying. So you need to play as per your strength, and test taking strategies play very effective role in cracking CAT. So please ensure that you are at your best and you are strategizing your paper effectively so that you can do your best and come out with flying colors in the exam. Let's talk about the verbal ability section now. So, like I said, eight questions came from verbal ability and they were MCQs also and type in the answers. Students did not find these questions very difficult, so that's a positive sign. If you are able to get all these questions right, you are brightening your chances to get a great percentile. So for para jumbles, fortunately, we had just four sentences that had to be arranged. So there were three questions that came, and all these three questions were type in the answers. Like I previously said, that non MCQs, TETA questions did not have any negative marking. So it definitely comes with this hidden principle and guidance that you should definitely attempt all the para jumbles. Please try that you balance reading and reasoning together. Don't just take a look at all the sentences to get the essence and then relook at the statements again to, you know, arrange the sentences. Please don't try to do that because that is going to consume a lot of time. Try to balance reading and reasoning parallelly, and you'll see that you reach to the right answers quickly. Out of the three questions, like I said, all the three were TETA questions. So Again, I'm reinstating the idea, definitely go and attempt the questions. There were two questions which came from odd one out, so they're again an extension to para jumble type, and these questions were also type in the answers. So you apply the same strategy to solve odd one out questions as you apply to solve the para jumbles. In case you're finding difficult to strike a good accuracy, my suggestion would be that try to rearrange, because the subject of discussion would be very similar in all the five sentences. So picking the odd one out question statement would become easy if you know how the other statements would be rearranged. There were three summary questions, and the difficulty level again was average, not something that goes beyond you. These were MCQs. So I hope you have better clarity and you know what to expect in CAT 2021. So now, since you are more equipped, I'm sure you'll be able to attempt your exam in best of the ways. All the best. To work very, very hard and ensure that you stay very positive in the last few days that are remaining for your exam. Also, there is a mock that is happening on 14th November. This is a free mock. You need to register for the mock on Unacademy's app. And after the test, you'll be getting a detailed report. There will be live in-depth analysis. There would be strategy sessions by top percentilers. There would be high quality video solutions provided. And this would really help you to analyze your paper in an effective way. So keep working hard. All the best. Stay positive. Don't forget consistency is the key. All the best. Take care.